In this video, I will show you how to import item with variants in LithosPOS. Let's begin. First, navigate to Item in the side menu and click on Items. Then, click on the Import button located at the top right side. In the pop-up window, choose Item with Variants. Then, click on the Item with Variant Download button to download the template. You'll see a template with sample data. You have to enter your item's data following this format. Then, clear the existing data except from the raw one. Remember, item name, group, unit of measurement, at least one variant, and its variant tag are mandatory entries. Now, start entering your data. Fill in the first variant color and then its variant tags, red, blue, green. Then fill in the second variant size, followed by its variant tags small, medium, and large. Fill in the supply price and sale rate, then mention the brand of your product. It is optional. If you want to track stock, enter yes in the stockable column. Saleable indicates whether the item is saleable or not. Enter the tax. Once you have entered all your data, please make sure to save and close the file. Return to your item list and click on the Import button again. Then select the variant item. Then click here to select the template you saved and then click Open. Finally, click Import. Your items will be imported successfully. Thanks for watching.